My love, I stand here today with our child growing inside me. My heart is overflowing with love and gratitude. From the moment our paths crossed, my life has been transformed by your love, kindness, and unwavering support.
Beb, my love, my bule. I want you to know that every day my love for you grows deeper and deeper. Thinking about it, the way we met and how things started for us might not be ideal. But honestly, there's nothing more ideal for me right now than this relationship we have.
So yun, nagkaila lang mi sa online. But after ato, dugay pa kayo siya na nagpa-oo, dugay pa kayo siya na pa-oo sa ko.
So after ato, mga after 3 months, dito nisugot na lang ko, kaya napugos na ko sa kilumay na manghugko niya. So, after 3 months, isugot na ako siya.
Thank you for letting me into your life. Thank you for all the happiness you bring to me. And you and baby. I'm excited to face this new journey with you.
Together, as we embark on this journey of creating a family, I promise to support and adore you not only as my husband, but also as the amazing father you are becoming. I love you so much, my dungol bule-bule.
I, Vincent F. Fernandez, as the Municipal Mayor of Macanao, Davao del Sur, by virtue of the power vested in me by the Local Government Code of 1991, with the blessings of the Almighty Father, I now propose you, Michael and Chris, Grace, husband and wife, in the bonds of marriage from this day onwards. This is the most important part. Until death do you part. So, kamatayon lagi makabulag niya sa atong balaod.
You got me. You got me. I know, I know, I know. I know you got me. You got me. Yes, you do. I know you got me.
I-support na ko siya sa iyang mga desisyon. Kanang tama po na desisyon. Pero kanang dili maayo, syempre dili pa na ko i-support. So, kabalo ko na po na siya mag-support po sa ako ang mga gusto sa life. And dili na ko siya biyaan.
Gusto na ako maging good father sa inyo, sa iya, and maging good husband sa imo. And I will do my best. Di mo ko ka-promise, I will do my best to provide for you. I love you, Ble.
You got me. Oh, you got me. I know you got me. You got me.
And I will do my best to support you and our baby. I will do my best to provide for you as the head of the family. And I will do my best to protect and keep our family together. I love you, Miss Fritzy Grace Alegria Aboy. I love you, my wife.
Okay.